Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record and post up to 20-minute reels on Instagram. Now, over time, Instagram increased reels from 30 seconds to 60, then 90 seconds, then 3 minutes, and now with the latest update, you can upload reels that are as long as 20 minutes. And here's how to do it. Basically, it's almost the same thing. So from your Instagram app, you want to go ahead and go to your profile picture and click or tap the plus icon at the top. Then from here, select Reel. Now, instead of recording a short clip, you want to go to your gallery and choose a long video, even something that's 7, 10, or up to 20 minutes long. And once it's selected, you'll notice that Instagram no longer forces you to trim it down to 3 minutes. Now, if your app supports the update, you'll be able to upload the full video as a reel. And after selecting your video, you want to tap next, add your caption, adjust your settings like music, audience, or Facebook sharing, then tap share, just like posting a normal reel. So yes, you can upload up to 20 minutes and your audience will see the full length, but for growth and discoverability, shorter reels might still perform better. And that's how you post 20-minute reels on Instagram. Basically, nothing's changed. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!